Hey everyone, welcome. I hope today finds you happy, healthy, and hungry because we are about to make some pico de gallo. Alright, you're gonna need some tomatoes, white onion, red onion, jalapeños, juice from a lime, cilantro, dash of kosher salt, and a dab of olive oil. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is cut up my onions and my jalapeños, half of a red onion, half of a white onion, and I'm gonna put them in the bowl with the lime juice and the olive oil and salt so they can start soaking up some of the flavor. And then I'll move on to cutting my tomatoes and my cilantro and mixing it all together. One thing I forgot to mention, you probably want to remove the seeds and the ribs out of the jalapeños if you want to cut back on the heat, which I have obviously done here. Okay, our pico de gallo is all done. Now nothing left to do but to eat it. So obviously you can make as much or a little of this as you want by adding more tomatoes, more onions, less pepper, more cilantro. I used about a half an onion of each color, the white and the red, to give it more color. If you only have purple, you could use all purple. If you only got white, you can use all white. The choice is truly up to you. More salt, less salt, more lime, less lime. Have fun with it, experiment, and enjoy.